Little Bunny loved his new blue hat. He was very happy and went into the forest to show it to his friends. Look at my new hat, he said with a big smile. His friends were very happy. Suddenly, a strong wind came. Oh no! Bunny cried. My hat is flying away. The hat flew up and got stuck on a tree branch. Bunny looked up sadly. How will I get my hat back? He whispered. Just then, a kind little bird flew down. The bird gently picked up the hat with its beak and gave it back to Bunny. Thank you, birdie, Bunny said happily. The bird smiled and said, we should always help each other.